Okay, so now we want to talk about finding intercepts for a rational function. I don't know why it doesn't say f of x, but I'm thinking it should say f of x there. Okay, this again is already factored for us. To find the y-intercept, so for the y-intercept, we're going to find f of 0. Now, I wouldn't multiply it out. I would just plug in the 0. I don't know why I feel like I always have to write out all these zeros, but we know what's going to happen in each of those terms. And so what am I going to get? In the numerator, I'm going to get a -6 because -2 times 3. And in the denominator, I'm going to have a -1 times 2 times -5. It's going to be 10 or -3/5. So that's going to be the y-intercept. Y-intercept. To find the x-intercepts, it's going to be a little bit easier in this case because it's when the numerator is going to equal 0. So when does x minus 2 times x plus 3 equal 0? So you're setting the numerator equal to 0. And in this case, you're going to have an x-intercept at 2 and an x-intercept at -3. Okay. They provide a lot of these pictures in the textbook, which might be interesting for you to look at those. But let's just check out this picture here. Do we have x-intercepts at -3? There it is. And 1 at 2. There it is. And then the y-intercept was right there at 0, -0.6, which is -3/5. Okay? Notice how these pictures look. They're very different. You've got stuff approaching the vertical asymptote here and here. And then you've got it going this way, and stuff approaching the horizontal asymptote, and things like that. So we're going to talk more about this. We're getting really close to being able to sketch a graph of one of these.